Hello, in this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make a family tree on Google Slides. To start off, I'm going to delete this subfolder and I'm going to change this one to my family tree, make it a bit smaller and move it a bit up. There we go. And if I click on the untitled presentation, it automatically populated the name of the file from my heading. I'm going to use the shape tool. You can access it from here or from insert shape, and I'm going to choose that rounded edge rectangle as my shape. So I'm going to start with myself, put a little box here, type my name inside, and I want my name to be bang in the middle of the box. So I'm going to look for the text align tool, which is here. I'm going to put it in the center on a horizontal scale and on a vertical one. And maybe I'll give it a slightly nicer color. Alright, now you want to try to keep all your boxes roughly the same size. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this box, Control C to copy and Control V paste. I'm going to put it up here. That will be for my father. Change it to Daniel Kadar. And I'm going to paste again. Click outside and paste again. Another box, same size, but and you can use those red lines to see that the two boxes are aligned. And because this is for my mom, I'm going to choose a different color. But I'm actually going to go with the Tal color, and I'm going to make the boys greenish and the girls orangey, just to make it a little bit different. And I'm going to type in here my mom's name, Kadar. But of course, if you want, you can type underneath here the years they lived or their age. So 1948 to 2004. 1944 to, there's no end date because he's alive. And for myself, 1975 to. Okay, so that's the beginning of my tree. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And now I want to connect things. Now, you will see that when you select shape, if I'm going to go now to the lines, and when you come near shape, it actually picks up on those corners and you can stretch a line straight out of it. You put it here, and if I select it again and come, so I can now select it from my mom to my dad. Okay. One trick I want to show you is that if you want the line to go straight up, hold the shift button down, and then the line jumps in certain angles, but it doesn't go in all directions, and I can connect it to here. Okay, so this is where you can build it step by step. Nothing automatic here, but then again it gives you a lot more freedom. I'm going to add my siblings, so I'm going to copy that again. I've got two brothers and one sister, and I'm the third one, so I'm going to put, and you see that again the red line to see that the boxes are aligned. Move this one, and once more. Now once you've got the box set up, it saves you a lot of time. You don't have to draw them again and again. You simply copy one and paste it over and over. So my older brother's name is Yoai. And I've got my sister Gitit. And again, I'm going to change that box to orange. And I've got my younger brother, Ofer. Ofer was born in 1981. Gitit was born in 1972. And my brother was born in 1960, 1970, I would guess. Okay, there we go. So we've got a family tree, and now I want to just connect myself with all my siblings. I'm going to choose that line again, and you see those little points, those anchor points, from one to the other. Choose the line tool again, from one to the other, and from one to the other. Ta-da! And because it's already, one thing that's important, if you wish to print it at the end of the work, before you start everything, go to File, Page Setup, and change the size to 29 by 21. That's an A4 size, which is the paper that we print on. There we go, and if I'm going to fit it, you can see this is a page that's going to be printed, and I can see how it sits on the page. If I want to move multiple things at one time, I can simply drag the selection tool over it. Now that it's all selected, I can move it a little bit here or there. There we go. Go ahead and give it a try.